sacrifice must be offered.
ya kwamba lazima dhabihu itolewe,
Because I've seen
kwa sababu nimeona
general overseers cry.
ya kwamba nimeona kilio cha mwangalizi msimamizi,
And for general overseer not to continue crying.
na ili kwamba mwangalizi msimamizi asiendelee kulia.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
A sacrifice must be offered.
Ni sharti dhabihu itolewe,
And that sacrifice
na hiyo dhabihu
that will now stop the cry of general overseer
ndio itakomesha kilio cha mwangalizi msimamizi.
must be a sacrifice that is perfect,
Ni lazima iwe ni dhabihu ambayo ni kamilifu,
purified,
ambayo imesafishwa,
set apart,
iliyotengwa,
holy.
takatifu,
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Qualified
ambayo imehitimishwa,
to come to be offered so that general overseer be set free.
ile ambayo itapeana ili ya kwamba mwangalizi msimamizi wawekwe huru.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
That's why I say,
Na ndio maana nikasema
why
ni
sacrifice?
kwa nini dhabihu?
It is because
Kwa sababu
people's cry
kilio cha watu
have reached Jehovah.
kimemfikia Yehova,
A day our cry will reach Jehovah.
na siku kilio chetu kitafikia Yehova.
That is the day of the Lamb.
Hiyo ni siku ya mwana kondoo.
That is the day of the Lamb.
Hiyo ni siku ya mwana kondoo.
Jehovah will say,
Yehova atasema,
I am now concerned.
sasa ninajali,
I am going to them
ninawaendea
to bring them home.
kuwaleta nyumbani.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.